Most people think you absolutely need Stripe to run an online business. But here's the truth. No one tells you. In 2026, thousands of businesses successfully accept payments every day without using Stripe at all. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is panicking when Stripe isn't available in your country or your account gets rejected. Because there are powerful alternatives that may actually work better for your business model. In this video, I'll show you the top ways to accept online payments without Stripe in 2026, including the best options for freelancers, e-commerce stores, creators, SaaS businesses, and international entrepreneurs. And trust me, one of these options is much easier to start with than most people realize. Let's get straight into it. First is PayPal. This is usually the easiest starting point for many small businesses and freelancers. For example, Alex sells digital design services online and uses PayPal invoices because customers already trust the platform. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayPal works in many countries where Stripe may not fully operate. It also supports direct payments, subscriptions, and invoices. But here's the problem. Fees can become expensive, especially for international transactions and currency conversions. This is where most people fail. They ignore hidden payment costs until profits start shrinking. Next is Wise Business. Wise has become very popular among freelancers and remote businesses because international transfers are often cheaper than traditional payment platforms. For example, Jake works with clients in the US and Europe and prefers Wise because conversion fees are usually lower. But here's the key thing to understand. Wise is better for receiving bank transfers than acting as a complete e-commerce checkout solution. In a minute, I'll show you one of the best full Stripe replacements for online stores. Now let's talk about Payoneer. Payoneer is widely used by freelancers, agencies, affiliate marketers, and marketplace sellers. It works especially well for receiving international payments from platforms and clients globally. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Many online entrepreneurs combine multiple payment methods instead of relying on one platform. That strategy reduces risk if one provider suddenly limits or reviews the account. Another major option is Square. Square works well for local businesses, restaurants, retail stores, and service businesses needing both online and physical card payments. But here's the problem. Availability still depends on your country. Next comes regional payment gateways. For example, Razorpay is huge in India. Paytabs and Hyperpay are popular across the Middle East. Moyazar has become increasingly attractive for smaller businesses in Gulf countries. And Shopify Payments works extremely well for e-commerce stores in supported countries. Now here's the most important part. Your best payment solution depends on what you actually sell. For example, a freelancer sending invoices needs something completely different from a subscription-based SaaS company or an e-commerce brand. This is where John made a mistake. He copied another creator's payment setup without checking country support, and later struggled with payout restrictions. Another smart strategy is using direct bank transfer methods alongside payment gateways. Some businesses reduce fees significantly that way. But here's the problem. Customers usually prefer fast card payments and trusted checkout systems. And this is the key point most people completely miss. You do not need Stripe specifically. You need a reliable payment system your customers trust. That's the real goal. So to recap, PayPal is great for beginners and freelancers. Wise helps reduce international transfer costs. Payoneer works well for global business payments. Square is excellent for local businesses, and regional gateways like Razorpay or Paytabs can outperform Stripe in certain countries. The smartest businesses choose payment systems based on customer convenience, country support, and long-term scalability. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which payment platform you currently use. And if you want more online business and payment setup guides, check out the next video on your screen.